Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to demonstrate how to evaluate a What's for Dinner project on Khan Academy. So when you go to the Khan Academy website, you want to search for project feedback. At the top of the project feedback page will be help requests, and below the help requests will be project evaluations. Unanswered, which is the default setting, is oldest evaluations first. All is newest evaluations first, and answered is of course answered evaluations. And all the different types of projects will be here, so you can look through those and decide which ones you want to evaluate. I have opened a What's for Dinner project here, and at the top of the page will be your evaluations box. Below that will be your canvas and your code for the project. The first criterion is draw something on the plate, which is some sort of meal. And since this is the first project, this is usually fairly broadly interpreted as long as it meets the final 4 criteria. But this one looks like a meal anyway, so they're good. The second criterion is uses at least 3 shape drawing commands besides the original plate. And the original plate is the top 2 ellipses, usually. And this doesn't mean 3 different kinds of shapes, but 3 separate shapes. So it could be 3 ellipses, it'll be the same. Uses at least 3 fill or stroke commands to color your dinner. So you can see they have used those. Doesn't have any syntax errors or program logic errors. And you can see the little green icon on the far left corner of the code. And if it looks happy and there's no error message on the canvas, you're usually good as to syntax, but you can read through it to make sure that it looks good. This project seems to be the original work of the author, and if you haven't actually seen this project somewhere else, you should usually be good for that. Finally, you'll have a chance to provide additional comments, which is optional but encouraged. And then you can just click Submit Evaluation. And if you want to see your evaluation, you can refresh your page and click on View Evaluation. And you'll be good. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you might like to consider subscribing to my channel.